So again, we'll take a look at the a la carte products, and then we will take a look at the big bundle. This is Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette. That is a very long mouthful, okay? So Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette. If we just think of Essentials Color Palette, your Simple Vintage, you know, if you know Simple Stories, it's kind of their more vintagey line in their kind of array of products. All right, so let's take a look at the paper pad. No, sticker book, hang on, oh, here we go. Paper pad. I will tell you that I have a mini book project kit with this collection coming out in April. This collection is so beautiful to work with, and what you're going to see as we start working, it kind of is color blocked. So everything in the collection, if you think of the collection name, kind of color palette, everything is color blocked. So you have kind of all of the colors, all of the products coordinate together in the different color waves, I guess, that you see in the collection. So 6x8 paper pad, 2 sheets each of 12 different papers. So this is what I mean by kind of color waves or color blocked. Starting with the red, so that all has kind of a red tone to it. Backside red. Then we get into the pink tone. Then we get light pink. Then we get orange. And you'll notice the back sides, right, are all of that kind of same colorway. There's that light pink. There's the orange. Yellow. Green. Oh, the teal. Kind of your light blue. Your navy, kind of a little bit kind of indigo navy, right? And then you have kind of that lilac purple. Cream, and then black. All right, and then it starts over again. So you have 2 sheets each of those papers. So what we're going to see now is, I don't know wherever this came from, what we're going to see is now all of the products in the collection will follow those same color waves, okay? So that was the 6x8 pad. Now we have 2 different sticker books, okay? 2 different sticker books. Again, same color waves. So we're going to see your sticker sheets each sheet will be the color, okay? So here we go, 12 different colors, if you were counting before, 1 sticker sheet for each of those 12 colors, which I think is awesome because this now makes a product like this go so far in your projects, right? You could do a whole red something by using the red sticker sheet and the red 6x8 paper and then red rub-ons or what have you. Joe Disney fan, this one is the Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette. All right, Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette. So there's the red. There is the pink. What we're going to see what we're looking at? You kind of have the same type of, you're always going to have a little label like that. You're going to have a bird. You're going to have a couple butterflies. You're going to have some circles, some buttons, a word, labels. So you're going to see that same type of thing in each of the sheets. There's our light pink. There's the orange. Look at the tangerines. Oh my goodness. Those of you that live in California and just walk out to the backyard and pick an avocado and a lemon and an orange, just, oh, I love that. There's your yellow, your green, your teal, your light blue, your kind of indigo, right? Your darker purple, your lavender, your black, and then your cream. Oh my goodness, look at that owl. How beautiful is that owl? So that is one of the 2 sticker books. The second sticker book, same color palette. You are going to have some typewriter keys and then some word strips. So here's the back. Again, all of those same colors. Your typewriter keys and then word strips. So red, pink. I love how like that pink just is so vibrant. It pops with that black. Your kind of light pink or your blush, your orange. One thing you'll notice too, the words that you're seeing in the word strips are different from sheet to sheet. So like the Trust Your Heart here really pops out, for the record pops out. So different word strips, different words. There's your green, your teal, your light blue, your indigo, your lavender, black, and then the cream. All right, so 2 different sticker books. This one 287 stickers, this one a whopping 1,056 stickers, right? All right, someone was just commenting about the butterflies. Louisa, hi, yes, they are rub-ons. They are rub-ons. So again, 2 6x8 sheets and same color palette. Like, look at, you have the red, the pink, the blush, the orange, the yellow, 12 colors in the color palette. So there you go, right? 2 sheets of the rub-ons. Simple Vintage Essentials color palette. Oh my gosh, we'll just get those off to the side. Add to another stack on the floor. All right, so next up we have the rub-ons. I mean, not rub-ons, sorry. The die cuts. Let's get that right. All right, 4 packs of die cuts. So starting out with the bits and pieces, there are 60 pieces here. 60 pieces here. And again, I'm going to sound like a broken record, but you have the, let's get a bigger one out here. I don't know why I've got that little one. You have the different colorways, right? So we're going to have some creams, black, there's your light blue, your red, there's your indigo. So this is how I would end up using them. I'd end up opening them up and start separating them into their little colorways, right? Lots of little hearts and buttons, little orange, I love that orange. Anyhow, lots and lots and lots of pieces. What do we say? 60. Oh, and you know what? If there's 12 colors, I bet there's probably about 5 pieces per color, right? Special handling, so fun. All right, so those are the regular bits and pieces. Then we're going to take a look at well, let's look at the butterfly bits. Love the butterflies. Always love the butterflies. So, butterfly bits. 45 of these little guys. 45 of the butterfly bits. And you can always, on the website, on my website, you'll see that secondary image so you can kind of get a feel for everything. But, ooh, these are good size. That is about 3 inches, okay? 3 inches wide by about 2 inches tall. So nice size there. I don't know why I just put those in there, but we'll look at them that way. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at all the yellows. So pretty. Some of the pinks there. Wouldn't you just die if you saw a pink butterfly like that? How cool would that be? Beautiful orange, so vibrant. The colors in this collection are so vibrant. Oh, I love those, kind of that black and white one. All righty. The purples, the greens. Oh my goodness, look at this like indigo. So pretty. Ooh, that guy too. So the smallest ones are gonna look about, I don't know, maybe about 1.5 inches, inch and 3, whoopsie, about 1 3/4 inches. So nice range of sizes. Look at that guy. All right, really bright pink. So there you have it. Those are the butterfly bits. Next up, we're going to look at the floral and bird bits. So flowers and birds. Flowers and birds. Actually, I think I'll put them on here. Jennifer, yes, Jennifer asked, did I see in the coming soon section that you're doing a project with the Simple Stories color palette collection? I am, yes, next month. You'll see it first week-ish of April. It will start, well, it'll release first week of April, and then it will start shipping about a week later-ish. It is a mini book. It uses the teal, the Simple Stories teal snap binder, and it is designed by color. So you'll have the whole book, but you'll have spreads that are particular to a color palette. So you'll have like a red spread, and then an orange spread, and a teal spread, and so forth. Look at your fun little birds there. They're so cute. Your florals, beautiful florals. These like are screaming spring to me, like, right? Especially those guys. I don't remember what those, hyacinth? I think those are hyacinth. Alrighty, so in the birds and the floral and bird bits, there's 45 pieces. Ooh, that's sunflower, right? Ooh, and look at the pretty owl. That owl just looks, it looks serene and then it looks angry. It's a serene, angry, serene owl. Just serene, right? Beautiful little hummingbird. What are those called? Those little birds. I can't remember what those little birds are called. They have an interesting name, but I don't remember. Someone will tell me, I know it. Oh, Pamela said where she is, they have pink and yellow moths and they're called pink lemonade moths. Oh my goodness. No, not a parakeet. It's something different, well, or maybe it's a parakeet, but there's also another word, a budgie or something like that, right? A budgie? No, it's not a budgie. I'm not sure what it is, but if my friend Vicky was here, she would know. She calls them, I don't know, they're called something, but I can't remember. Besides a parakeet. I'm not saying a parakeet's wrong, Auntie Crafts, but there's another thing I'm thinking of in my head. All right, those are the birds and florals. Next up, we have, I love these. Budgie, a budgie. There we go. Okay, a budgie. British word for a parakeet. Yes. Okay. I thought budgie, but then I'm like, maybe I'm not sure. All right, these are awesome. These are the sentiment bits. 53 pieces. Again, look at all in that color palette. So if you like to mix and match colors, collection is great for that because everything coordinates. But if you like to go with a particular color palette, then you've got all the things that you need because it has all the color palettes. But just these great sentiments. Thanks, happy, I don't know what that is yet. I'm gonna have to wait. That maybe looks like an and. So you have a script words, and then you have some like little labels, friend, heart, lucky, wishes. So it looks like we have words that are repeating in the colors. So like there's an orange birthday, a black birthday, but you don't necessarily have birthday in all the colors. So they're just kind of varied. Hello. And then lots of these guys. So you could, with some of these, birthday wishes. I think for everything, you could do like this. Look at, you could do like thanks for everything if you wanted to layer those on like a card or something like that. That would be really fun. But you could also use these, of course, for, just your other projects. Bright, best, and then all of these little guys. All of those little strips. Happy days shine, hello. I think that says like hello my. So I'm imagining, from what I'm gathering, I think we're probably building and layering, right? So hello my, I think we saw one in here that said friend, right? So you could, there we go. Hello, my friend. Now that could work very well on a layout, right? If you are, or a list or something like that. Maybe you're listing your best friends, or doing layouts with your photos. Hello, my friend could totally work as a title, or something like that could work with, it could definitely work with like a card if you're doing a card. All right, so those are the sentiments pieces, and there are 53 of those. All right, last two things we're going to look at in this collection before we look at the big bundle, washi. Now, these 2 packs of washi are different than we are used to seeing. Okay, I'll show you. Normally with Simple Stories, we see this, the 5 rolls like we just looked at. The 3 taller, kind of your standard size, and then the 2 that are narrower. With these 2 packs, you see the difference? With these 2 packs, they're more rolls, and they are all that kind of same standard width. So you have 6 rolls, 6 rolls. The difference between these 2, color palette. So you have the warm color palette, which is going to be your pinks and oranges and reds and yellows. And then you're going to have your cool color palette, which is the other half of the collection. The greens, the blues, the purples, and the blacks. So we will take a look at these. Okay, hold on. Hang on one second, friends, okay? We're gonna try. Come on. If you go where you're supposed to go, okay? You gotta stay in your little bucket. You have to stay right here. You stay here? Okay. Sit down. Sit there. Sit in your bucket. You get in your bucket. You can't come. Sorry, friends. Cat really wanted to come in. He was scratching at my door. So he wanted to come in. We'll see how he does. Because if he decides that he's going to, oh yeah, no. We'll see how Reggie does with us. Okay, you stay there. All right, next up, we were talking about the washi. Sorry about that. I think what I'll do, rather than swatching these, we'll just kind of take a look. This will give us a really good feel on the back. So this is the warm collection, or warm part of the washi. You have the cream, you have the pink, dark pink, red, orange, and yellow. Hi, Vicky. I was just talking about you because I was trying to remember the other name for a parakeet. And then we figured it out, a budgie. No, I'm talking to Reggie, Vicky. Talking to Reggie. All right, there we go. Those are the warm washi that are part of that color palette collection. And then we have the cool. The cool. Get in your bucket. Get in your bucket, Nick. No. Reggie likes to be where I am all the time. And which means if I'm working a lot, then he is trying to lay all over my table where I'm trying to work and design and so forth. So one day I had like this white IKEA, well, it's like a little, I don't know, container or whatever. He loves to get in that. It's on my desk. So now that's where he goes. So sometimes I can put him in that and he'll sit there. His bucket. Yeah, get in your bucket. Get in your bucket. All right, then. So those are the a la carte parts of the color palette, Essentials color palette. Then you have the big bundle. So the big bundle has all of those things, right? Big bundle has all of those things that I shared that are a la carte, plus some other things that I do not bring in a la carte. Big bundle, again, when you purchase it all as the bundle, then you get 15% off. So at some point, if you're buying a lot of things in the collection, it really makes more sense to just buy the big bundle. So let's see what we have. The things I already showed you, both of the sticker books, the 6x8 pad, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 die cut packs. You have the rub-ons, the 2 washi. Then the things that I don't have a la carte that you haven't seen that are also part of that big bundle, you have 2 packages of the foam stickers. So again, colorways, right? You have the pink and red, orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and kind of a lavender. 2 packs of those. You have the chipboard frames, so 6 of the chipboard frames. Look at how beautiful. They all kind of have a little bit of that like patchwork feel to them. You have 2 packets of the enamel dots. Again, warm and cool. You've got kind of all things covered there. Ooh, more foam stickers. So this big bundle is 4 packages of foam stickers. The beautiful butterflies, look at that. Beautiful butterflies, and then the florals. And then you have the words or the sentiments also in the foam stickers. Everything colorway, right? Everything colorway. You have the chipboard, and then you have the 12x12 paper pack. So 12x12 paper pack, we're going to see 1 sheet for each kind of color. 1 sheet for each color palette. And the 12x12 sticker. So the 12x12 sticker represents all of the colorways. The B-sides are all going to be kind of your buffalo check in each of the colors. And then the 12x12. So you have the red, the pink, the light pink, the orange, the yellow, the green, the teal, the light blue, the indigo, and the lavender, and the cream, and the black. All right, so all of the things that I just showed you there part of that big bundle. And as a quick reminder, when you purchase the big bundle on my website, then you get 15% off because you're just buying it all. Buying it all. All right, this one I think could last you a long time. Long time. The mini book project kit that I have coming out with this comes out next month in April, so watch for that.